Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable abandoned checkout in Shopify. And for those of you who do not know, abandoned checkout is basically an opportunity to reach out to customers that basically canceled out on the checkout process on your Shopify store. And there could be many reasons for that. Maybe the shipping was too high, or potentially the customer wasn't very serious about placing order, they were just shopping around. So by having their email, their name, and general information they leave in the checkout, you can reach out back to them and potentially incentivize them to complete the order. But first of all, you want to make sure that abandoned checkout is actually enabled in your Shopify. So for that purpose, you have to be logged into your admin panel, then go to settings, look for checkout, and scroll all the way down until you see a section abandoned checkouts. You want to make sure this is enabled. And there are several settings under it. The first one is basically, if you select the first one, it will send abandoned checkouts to practically anyone that goes to your checkout process and types in the email address and then quits. But if you select the second one, it will only send to email subscribers who abandon checkout. So it's up to you whichever one you want to choose. As well, you can also select how many hours after the customer has dropped off in the checkout process you want to follow up. Usually Shopify recommends 10 hours, but you have to try out the different settings, maybe 1, 6, or 24 hours. It really depends on the business. So play around, see whichever one works the best in your case. So once those settings are set, all you have to do is just click save. Perfect, so abandoned checkout is enabled. Also, you can customize the actual email the customers receive. So I'll show you how it looks like in the beginning. It's relatively simple. There's not much here, but you can make it much nicer. Potentially change the title. You can add some images here, or you can even add a discount code to incentivize those customers that dropped off to finally complete the purchase. But for that purpose, you would have to edit the HTML. I will not go into actual details how to edit this whole template, but if you're not very much familiar with HTML, you can hire a Shopify developer. I will leave a link in the video description to Shopify Experts where you can hire one, should you decide. So that's that. And I will also show you how to manually send abandoned checkout recovery emails. So once you're in your admin panel, you can go to orders and click on abandoned checkouts. Here are 2 sample checkout orders I have. And let's say I want to follow up with this one. Once you click on the checkout, you have an option to click send the card recovery email. You want to just double check your contact details at the top, and you can change the subject line, add a custom message. Once it's all set, you just click review email and send notification. So this is how you manually send it. As well, the final thing I want to mention is how to look into actual statistics for the card recovery. You might have to go to marketing, automations, and look for abandoned checkout emails by Shopify. Then look for these 3 dots on the right and look for view reports. This is a table where you can basically see the sessions, add to cart and orders, and all the marketing funnel behavior related to abandoned checkouts. And so you can change the different periods. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you like other videos with respect to Shopify, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.